I want to share with you in this video how putting in place a membership group coaching program, the model through which I run my program right now that provides me with a recurring income and I help a lot of people through it, completely changed my life forever right now in the last year, as now I have a full-time recurring income coming into my coaching practice, into my business, into my life here, and it just provides me with a lot of stability. It pays me each and every month. To be honest, it pays me each and every day, second day or third day. I'm always receiving notifications that this member paid me, this member paid me, this member paid me, right? Because all of them are on monthly subscriptions. The money just keeps coming in, flowing in, and I'm being paid every day from the 30-40 members that I have right now in my membership group coaching program. People are paying me anywhere from $50 to $140, depending on which plan of mine I signed them in the past year. But this idea completely transformed my life. If you explore my YouTube channel, you're gonna see in my other vlog videos the journey that I went through to become a full-time online coach. I became a full-time online coach in the last 5 years, but prior to that, I have gone through a lot of self-discovery, and I was always trying to figure out how to make money with my business, by myself, right? I never had a full-time job or whatsoever, right? But I was always fighting this entrepreneurial game. I share with you my full story in my other videos, right? But in the last 5 years, when I decided that I'm gonna become a full-time online coach, I fought this game of trying to create a full-time income. I started working with one-on-one clients at first, right? Started selling like $300 mini packages or one-off sessions, and then I increased my value and I went to 1K, 1500 for one-on-one coaching work with me as a life coach, as a business coach, as a spiritual guide, right? So that's the mini packages that I was selling at the beginning, but for 1, 2, 3 years of me starting, the money, the income was never consistent. Yes, I sold 2K packages here and there, and the spike of money just came in, and I was like, whoa, we just got a new client. But I was always chasing those clients, always trying to create content, interact with people, book calls, talk to new potential clients, always hustling to sell those packages, right? Until a year and a half ago, I came across the idea of membership programs. This idea changed my life now forever, because instead of me charging 2K upfront to a new client, I rather get them to pay me $100 per month. They pay me, let's say, $100 per month to get access to my course, to be inside my community forum. We use an app called Skool where I host my membership, right? And thirdly, they can come to my weekly group coaching calls. Through this model now, I can work with a mini group of clients, and they are paying me monthly fees, each of them, right? When they signed up, they paid $100 through their card, and the app called Skool charges them every month $100, right? So if someone signed up, let's say on 17th of the month, right, it charges them again the next month on 17th, right? So all of these members who sign up with me, they are automatically charged monthly fees. Even right now, during this New Year's holiday, guess what? The money keeps coming into my bank account. I receive it all the time from my members because they are automatically charged to be part of my coaching experience, right? And I've been following and building around this model for a year and a half now. I have grown to 30-40 members paying me. Of course, I went through quite a few ups and downs and rediscovering of my model, but to be honest, we all do. We all life coaches, we all go through this niche discovery mode, and how to make our program better, simpler, more effective, how to sign the next few people. We all go through that, right? But imagine, I fought this game for a year and a half, and I built a stable, monthly, recurring, full-time income that comes in every month. And the best part is that my members, my clients are so happy. They are staying. Of course, people fall off, right? And new people come, right? Like 20-30% people will always fall off of our programs or so, except if we increase the quality of it, right? And decrease the churn, right? And stuff like that. But let's just say the average industry standard is that people fall off. But if we add more people to it, we are kind of growing, and that's what's happening to me right now. Bunch of my clients, my members are staying. I had members for a year, some of them, right? Some of them are more fresh, but each of them is paying me that monthly fee, and I receive that income into my bank account. Every day I receive that notification, hey, someone just paid you. Automatically they are charged, right? And so I have an awesome peace of mind. I can just do whatever I want on a daily basis. I can work here, I can go for a workout, I can go to my gym, I can work on the construction stuff around my house, which is my latest hobby it seems, and life just flows. I can go out with my friends maybe for a quick dinner, visit my family, while the membership subscriptions keep coming in. How much time does it take for me to actually run my program? Maybe 2, 3, 4 hours per day still, because I'm always trying to grow, right? But I only do like 2 weekly group coaching sessions, right, to which my members come. Every day I spend an hour or so to support my members via DMs, via the community, and so via email and so on, right? But it's like a part-time job that I have. I work for myself, but it provides me with a full-time income. And the best part is that it has a lot of growth potential right now for me. I already have 2 teammates, mini teammates, which I'm training right now a lot. So we work together as a team. We want to go from this mini full-time income that we are making right now. We want to double. We want to go triple it. We want to go to 10K, 12K a month, right? And this model allows us to do that, because I can easily add another bunch of 30, 40, 50 members into it, and as a team we can support them, right? I am bringing all of this to you because if you are looking to transform your life forever, if you are a life coach, if you have certain value to provide other people with, if you think that you can guide others, if you think that you can help other people transform their lives, and if you want to be paid for it, you could simply start signing the first few members paying you $100 a month into your group membership coaching program. You should begin by creating your offer first, then setting up a Skool membership platform that hosts your membership program, right? And thirdly, you should sign your first, second, and third member paying you $100 per month, for example. And then you're gonna go to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and start building systems around it all, okay? I teach all of these steps in my free school that you can join. You can access my free course that teaches you how to go through these 3 steps and start signing the first members into your program. Then I also teach you some kind of advanced stuff of how you can put automated systems in place as well, so people can actually come to you and sign into your membership program on their own all the time, right? I don't want to teach you all of this value stuff right now. You can look around on your own. You can take the first steps on your own. Just explore around, go into my free school, find the link down below. After you are approved, click on the classroom tab, explore the mini lessons, start taking action, post in our community, engage with us. Let's grow together. If you would like to have a recurring monthly income coming into you every month and start having this kind of peace of mind, make sure to study my material. If you take the first few steps, you could finally break through in your life and start being continuously, recurringly paid for your value, for your knowledge, coaching clients, coaching people, transforming their lives. Take action. Make sure to subscribe so you can see more of similar videos just like this one. We can hang out and we can learn from one another. Let's go.